Good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss about the computer language. Language is a medium through which we can interact with each other. If you want to interact with anybody, you need to have a medium through which you will interact. A computer language is used to write a set of instructions for the computer to perform a particular task. This is because computer can neither think nor make a judgment on its own. Such a set of instruction given to the computer is called program, and the action taken by the computer following the instruction is called program in execution. Computer language are broadly classified as low-level language and high-level language. A computer only understands binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. A low-level language is the language of the computer and therefore directly understood by the computer. It is designed in such a way that it can operate and handle the entire hardware and components. Low-level language are of two types. One is machine language, another one is assembly level language. Machine language is a low-level language where the set of instruction is given in the form of binary or hexadecimal number system to which the computer responds directly. Because computer only understand binary numbers, every set of instruction in machine language is given in binary digit, that is 1 and 0, and interpreted directly by the central processing unit. Machine language programs were very difficult to write and manage, and therefore scientists created another language called assembly language, which was comparatively easier to program with. In assembly language, instructions are given in the form of mnemonic codes. For example, to add two numbers, the mnemonic code is capital A D D is used. For subtract, capital S U B is used. Features of low-level language. Low-level language are CPU specific. Assembly language program mnemonics are used as a programming code such as ADD add, SUB sub. For machine language program, 0 and 1s are used. Next is high level language. The demand for more complex program and programming methodology made the scientists develop programming language which started being more like human spoken language and structured. These languages are called high level language. These languages are easier to understand and write. Therefore, these languages gained tremendous popularity. High level language allows the programmers to concentrate on the logic of the program to be solved rather than the intricacies of the machine architecture such as required in low level language. The features of high level languages are programs written in high level language are comparatively more readable than low level language. Programs written in high level language can run in different machine architecture with little or no change. It is possible to remove errors easily in a program, that is easy debugging. It is possible to master a high level language easily as instructions correspond to natural language and therefore software can easily be developed. It requires a translator program to convert a program written in high level language to machine language. It does not execute on the computer directly. So the difference between low level language and high level language are: high level language are easy to learn, low level language are difficult to learn. High level language are almost like natural language, it is easy to understand. Low level language is very difficult to understand. Programs in high level language are slow in execution compared to low level language. Programs in low level language are faster in execution compared to high level language. It is easy to modify or update program, where low level language program are difficult to modify. High level language do not provide much facility at hardware level compared to low level language. Low level language provide facility to write program at hardware level. High level language are built in such a way that hardly any knowledge of hardware is required. Low level language required hardware knowledge. High level language is usually used to write application program. Low level language is usually used to write programs related to direct hardware manipulation. Next is fourth generation language. A fourth generation language is a group of programming language that attempt to get closer to human language. Form of thinking and conceptualization. The latest high level language were made for what of the problems is coded. Only what is required is to be specified and rest gets done on its own. Thus the programmer needs to worry only about the problems need to be solved and what conditions need to be met, without worrying much about the implementation details to solve them. Moreover, the language contains enough tools and components to design graphical interface that requires simple effort like drag and drop, and therefore the programmers need not to waste their time in designing the interface and can concentrate only on the tasks to be performed. Example of fourth generation language are Visual Basic, Visual C++, SQL, Prolog, etc. In next video, I will discuss language processor and difference between different language processor. Thank you.